On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to install on the 3 Series a new steering wheel, a leather steering wheel, M steering wheel in fact. We are going to retrofit cruise control and the volume buttons. First step, because we are working with airbag, we have to remove the negative terminal. 10mm socket, remove the negative. And now we have to wait at least 15 minutes in order to work with airbag. Moving on the driver side, we are going to remove the cover for the electronics from the DME of the engine. You will need a T25 and you can remove the cover. We can leave it aside. And now we have to fish a wire from the inside till here. On the inside we are going to remove the glove box on the driver side, Phillips screws. We have one here in the left, one in the right. And just pull it out. Now we have to remove this trim around the light panel. Ooh, my tool just broke. Oh, this one came out completely. Okay, oh, we have a missing screw in here. So you will have two Phillips screws that holds the control module. So we have to remove just one, because in my case, like I said, I'm missing one. And now you can put your hand where the glove box was and push the module out. Okay, now press this tab and slide the white cover, the white trim. Now you can remove the plug. We have to work in here as well. And now we have to remove the plastic cover around the steering wheel. So we have to leave the steering wheel down as much as we can. With the Phillips screwdriver we have to remove one screw on top. Looks like this, just a plastic screw. Underneath we should have two release plastic clips. One is here and another one is somewhere in here. We have to remove this trim to see that. Oh, this one is already loose. See that in there? Basically you can remove the whole panel from underneath, and after that we can release the plastic trim. Perfect. And now we just have to unplug this green connector. It's just one, you cannot miss this one. Take it out, and we can see from the start that we have a few holes that are empty, and we have three holes, and we have to put our wires in here. So let's do that now. We have to open now the connector in order to plug our wires. We are going to use now our first wire for the cruise control on pin number 8. If you watch carefully in here on the plug, you will see a number. It's going to be like number 5 in there, number 10, number 9, number 8. So we have to plug our first wire, like I said, pin number 8 for the cruise control. Perfect. So that's done. Now we are going to connect another two wires for the volume buttons and the other stuff, backlights on the buttons, on pin number 9 and number 10. But I use my own wire, so I don't have the same color as the wiring harness, but I'm gonna show you after I put everything. So number 9 and number 10, you have to plug the other two wires, and basically now we can plug, we have to close now this connector back. We can plug it back in, and now we can route the wires in here and something like that. Because I use the green wire to be my cruise control wire, we have to push to the firewall on the engine computer outside, and the other two wires we have to connect them on the light module in here. Now we are going to work on these wires, and I'm going to show you now which wire you have to use. Press this little tab in here, slide the connector out, do the same on the other side. Now we can slide everything out. Now we have to connect the pin number 9, and I'm using the blue color. We have to connect to pin 21. So let's find our pin 21. Pin 21, and it's written in here. This comes like this. So this side 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Pin 21. So this side, pin 21 is like white, red and yellow. We have to connect our blue cable. This one, like this, and we have to connect it in here somehow. I have these connectors. I hope these are okay for what I'm working with. Let's do this. Perfect. Now we are going to connect the orange wire that I have. So this is pin number 10 to pin 27. So we know for a fact that we are at pin 21. So we just have to count another 6 wires. So pin 27 is the last one. It's this one. So we have to tap into this wire as well, and we are done. I think we are ready with the wires inside. So basically we've plugged 3 wires into this green plug. Number 8 is for the cruise control. In my case is the green wire. Number 9 is the blue one. Number 10 is the orange one. So number 9 you have to connect with pin number 21, and it is this one, white, red and yellow. After that we have pin number 10, which is orange in my case, and I've connected to purple and yellow, and I think we are done in here. I plugged everything. We can put the module back, and the green wire, maybe you can see, let me try to show you. There is already a hole in there into that white plastic. Now maybe you can see. You just have to push the wire in there. Now I'm going to pull a little bit more. You have to leave a little bit of slack, of course. Onto the engine side, we have the green wire in here, routed in here. I used this kind of tool, and basically now comes the fun part. Is just one wire to plug, but depends on the car, on the year, on the model. which pin goes. You have to pull this one out. Okay, take the plug out. On the black, let me try to show you here, on the black connector N46 engine, you have to plug the cruise control on this smaller plug on the ECU on pin number 4. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. But let me try to show you something. We can remove this plug first. Okay, on the black connector you will need, this one is wrong, go in there. So black connector, pin number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and surprise, surprise, we have a wire. Yes, it's normal, so we have to remove this wire. Press the pin inside, take it out. Okay, we have to plug our wire. So number 4, don't forget, you will have the number in there, 1, 2, 3, and this one. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So basically we are done. Now we have to isolate this wire, and it's going to look just like that. The fourth pin, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one is the green one, our wire. The blue and white wire, take that out, put the black connector back in. Let me try to do it one hand. Okay, after that we slide back this plastic clamp. I'm going to put in the description box below the pin where goes the cruise control wire for different models. We have to put this back in here, slide the clamp, and we can test everything. In order to remove the steering wheel, we have 2 access holes in the back of the steering wheel. One will be in here, the other one is on the opposite side. And we have to, on this model, we have to unscrew 2 screws, T30. With everything done in here, let's put the battery now. Let's see if we can use the volume buttons. Just a second. Ooh, nice, works. Let's change the radio. Nice, works. See that we can change the radio station, the volume, of course. Perfect. And now, moment of truth. Let's see if we have cruise control. This one is start stop, 1 and 0, of course. Let's see. Whoa, nice. Nice, works. With everything set and done, we are at the end of the video. Everything works flawless. I've tested a few times everything, so everything works. If you want to see more progress on this car, this is the E46 project car. Join me for the next episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.